Aging infrastructure, skilled labor shortages, rising compliance demands. Today's maintenance leaders are under more pressure than ever. When every minute of downtime costs more, reactive maintenance just won't cut it. That's why forward-thinking teams rely on Maintenance Connection, Accruent's modern CMMS, built for reliability, scalability, and results. From the plant floor to the front office, Maintenance Connection empowers your workforce with mobile-first tools, intuitive workflows, and real-time visibility. Digitize knowledge, accelerate onboarding, drive digital transformation, and keep your teams productive, even in a tight labor market. With powerful reporting, seamless integrations, and AI-driven insights, you can optimize asset performance, reduce costs, and make smarter decisions faster. Stay audit-ready, secure, and aligned with ESG goals because compliance and risk reduction are no longer optional. And as operations become more connected, Maintenance Connection brings your CMMS, IoT, and document systems together, eliminating silos and unlocking new value. From reactive to proactive, from complexity to clarity, Maintenance Connection is your trusted solution for reliable maintenance and asset performance. Schedule your demo today